A crystal snowstorm blooms inside a mason jar as hot water dissolves salt and coaxes crystals to grow. First, mix hot water with plenty of salt until no more dissolves, then stir in a splash of food coloring. Pour the colored brine into the jar and seal. As it cools, salt crystals begin to form intricate patterns. The science behind it is crystallization, where a saturated solution loses heat and crystals arrange into orderly structures. This safe, mesmerizing experiment shows how temperature and concentration drive solid growth right before your eyes.